Installing your new Magnum truck rack using the stake pocket inserts. First, drop the insert into the stake pockets and fasten into place. Do not fully tighten the bolt. Remove the top bolt and place the rack on the truck bed. Lightly tighten the bolts that hold the rack onto the stake pocket insert. Now center the rack. Tighten down all 4 bolts and run the rack wire harness down between the cab and bed of the truck. Now at the back of the truck, remove the 7-way plug and insert the plug from the modular wire harness. Reattach the existing plug to the second port on the modular wire harness. Now run the wire harness from back to front using cable ties to secure it. Now attach the modular wire harness to the rack's wire harness. Use electrical tape to secure all connections. Wrap all access wire and secure using cable ties. Check all lights before operating.